Hello and welcome to another ADM Agriculture Fertiliser update on our YouTube channel. To kick things off, we will first look at the UK nitrogen market, which has seen relatively muted demand through the last month and a half as harvest has taken focus alongside securing seed for next year's crop. Prices for nitrogen have increased since the first early offers as domestic AM production remains tight and global ammonia markets have also risen in this time frame. Today, break-even ratios at current prices are slightly over the AHDB target of 5 to 1. But it's not so high that significant reductions in application rates could be expected, which may have an impact on the UK nitrogen market. Uncertainty remains on the overall availability of European AN as energy costs remain elevated over historical norms and carbon costs are increasing for European nitrogen producers also. It is worth noting the Chevron strikes in Australia that could impact Asian LNG markets, as Australia supplies circa 35% of the Chinese LNG market. If the supply is impacted from Australia, there could be knock-on effects to nitrogen product supply or pricing in the region. And at the beginning of this week, we've already heard reports of Chinese urea export restrictions that has boosted global urea values already. Crop output prices are maintaining a ceiling to nitrogen prices in the UK at present, but it's likely to remain a very volatile market, and direction in the medium to long term is still unclear. So moving on to phosphates, phosphate rock and phosphoric acid prices are weakening on global markets, whilst UK prices have seen upward movement for the first time this year. But demand for phosphate and potash are expected to increase globally through Q4 23 and into the 2024 year. That's following the significant demand destruction in 2022 and 2023 due to the astronomical price levels as seen in the chart. There is a chance that this could support global prices, but supply appears to be relatively robust on phosphates at the moment. Potash prices are following similar trends to phosphates in the UK. Continuous declines have been seen throughout the second half of 2022 and into the first half of 2023. Potash trade flows have adjusted after sanctions that have been imposed, and they could be more susceptible to supply shocks given the locations of major product production. It is worth noting that potash has seen the largest demand destruction of the three key nutrients through the past couple of years. Demand is also expected to increase, but it is worth noting the importance of the product agronomically. Potash enhances the development of strong cell walls, which can improve straw stiffness. It also helps protect crops from drought as well. And with heavy rains increasing lodging, much more extreme weather events, we would encourage soil sampling and correct maintenance of soil K indices. Thank you very much for watching the ADM Agriculture Fertiliser update on our YouTube channel. We hope to see you next time.